Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
The question is from Brother Abdullah. He asks, there are several methods of performing salah. Are all of them acceptable, or is there only one common method of offering salah?
The brother asked the question that there are several ways of offering salah, and I do know of that. Are all of them acceptable? Are all of them correct? Or there's only one common method? If you go to the market, you will find hundreds of books on describing the method of how to perform salah. Most of them, they contain few or more unauthentic hadith. Most of them. There is only one common method of offering salah. As our beloved Prophet said, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 1, in the book of Adhan, chapter number 18, hadith number 604, as well as Sahih Bukhari, volume number 9, hadith 352. The Prophet said, pray as you have seen me praying. When you offer salah, you should offer salah as our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam offered salah, and no other way. So when it comes to the major part of the salah, like where to keep your hands, how to stand in qiyam, in ruku, in sujood, the various postures, all these, there is only one style, only one method, which is mentioned and given in the Sahih Hadith if you refer to them. There are a few options which a person has. For example, what you recite in ruku. The Hadith says that sometimes the Prophet recited Subhan Rabbil Azim, that glory be to Allah who is supreme. Sometimes he recited Subhan Rabbil Azim wa bihamdika, that glory be to Allah who is supreme and praise be to him. So there are a few du'as, various different du'as which the Prophet recited in ruku, in sujood, where a person has an option. For example, I told in witr, we have to offer odd rakat. That is the commandment. Sometimes Prophet offered 1, sometimes 5, sometimes 7, most of the time 3 rakat. So there are options in certain things, mainly in recitation, in ruku, in sujood, etc. But the major part, the posture, how you stand, how do you sit, how do you bow, how do you prostrate, everything is only one common method, which is given in the Sahih Hadith. The best book that I can recommend, which is available, and which is very concise, small book, and which contains authentic hadith, is the book The Guide to Salah by M.A. Saqib. If people have more time and they want to read a bigger book, a book which gives more minute details, how do you go for sujood, what part of the body you touch first, how do you get up, all the minute details, you can refer to the book The Prayer of the Prophet, from the beginning to the end, as if you see it, by Sheikh Muhammad Nasiruddin Al-Albani, Sheikh Albani. It gives the quotation of Sahih Hadith, etc. You can refer to this book. But as the question is, the recitation, the major part of Salah is only one type. And if you want to read these books, you can refer to the library of the Islamic Research Foundation, where these books are available.
أضحى الإسلام لنا دينا وجميع الكون لنا وطنا توحيد الله لنا نور أعددنا الروح له سكنا